Alright, oops, I did it again. So another haul yesterday. Had to take advantage of my Sprouts coupon as about to expire. So the Carbonas came back in Ibotta, so such a good deal. Had to do them again. Had like about a plus $50 moneymaker again. And a new deal I wanted to mention to you are these U by Kotex pads. They are $3.35. So if you can get your hands on 8 of them, they don't have to be actually in the same transaction. You can do 4 and 4 or even 2 at a time, because there's a new coupon book here from the Spring Savers, just came out March 19th. So buying 8 of those comes to $26.80, and then you use 4 of these coupons. It's actually for the liners, but looks the same for the pads. It's from the Smart Source March 13th, and then in the new Spring Savers book you got $4 off of 2, so you use 4 of those and you're gonna get, so you're spending $26.80, you get 16 back. 4 times 4, 16. You get 16 more. 4 times 4, 16. And then you can submit to fetch if you spend over 25, which you did because you're at $26.80. You get another $5, roughly $5. So looking at a $10.20 money maker on those. Now, if you couldn't find those, which were difficult, you can also get these teen U by Kotex by teen, and you can also get these bigger 12 size maxis. These are $3.79. These are $6.99. There's one that's $7.99. I got all the ones that were $6.99 because I had already reached my $25 threshold, so I couldn't get another 5 back from fetch. But if you're unable to find these, what you can do is buy 2 of the teen ones that are $6.99 and one of them that is $7.99, and buy this one, or if you find one of those, buy those, and you're looking at $25.76. And then use 2 of those, use 2 of these, so you get 8 back there, 8 back there, and then submit to Ibotta. There's $2 off each box, so it's another 6. And then if you didn't do your fetch, you can get another 5 off from fetch, and you're gonna have a $1.24 money maker on those. So once again, and I did, of course, all these deals again. Took advantage of this because it was about to expire. Today's the 21st. So next week I'm gonna probably have to use that 5 off of 15 Target coupon that I got. So once again, subscribe to my channel. Check out my haul on Thursday when I did all these deals, because I can give you the breakdown. I've got the breakdown below this video, and I've got the link to print this Spring Savers coupon if you couldn't find it, the booklet, in your store. So once again, paid to shop.